I am almighty. Bow down to me. Hire this man to write Croatoan on a tree, and I'll figure it out for millions of centuries. Yay. Candy time.
Help get this guy out of a tree today.
You know, at the end of the day I turn stupid is just a way to escape reality and see funny skits. No matter if it's someone crashing into a tree, or someone saying that we can seal the Titanic with duct tape, or someone popping his head. You know, that fun stuff. Have fun sleeping tonight with those images stuck in your head. Well,